Hi, Oluwaseun here. So we're here for an installation today. We want to change a 1.5 kVA inverter to a 3.5 kVA hybrid inverter system. So today we're going to know the difference between a standalone inverter and a hybrid inverter system. Come along with me. This is a 1.5 kVA inverter system. This is what we are going to be changing. It is a 24-volt system and it works with at least 12-volt batteries. This is a charge controller. You can refer to our last video to know how a charge controller works. It regulates the amount of charge that enter into the battery. This is a DC breaker. It works like a switch where we turn on and off to break the system. This is a DC surge protector. It protects the system from lightning and thunder and the rest. Okay, so now we've changed the 1.5 kVA standalone inverter to a 3.5 kVA hybrid inverter, and the difference between the two is that this 3.5 kVA hybrid inverter has an inbuilt MPPT charge controller in it. So here we have the battery reading 25.7. This is the battery reading in ampere. This is the output it's giving at the moment, 230 volts. This is the battery reading 25.7 volts, the frequency reading 50 hertz. The load on it in VA 276, in watts 237 watts. So now you know the difference between 1.5 kVA standalone inverter and a 3.5 kVA hybrid inverter. Thank you.